personal air transportation. Passenger drone, taking autonomous to the sky. Input your destination on the touchscreen and passenger drone takes you where you want to go. Safely, quickly, and in comfort. Traffic jams? Done. Driving stress? Done. Wasting time? Done. The two-seater passenger drone's high-performance electric motors run quietly and smoothly for a relaxed ride with a spectacular bird's-eye view. The passenger drone is engineered for safety and designed for comfort. The dreamers at Passenger Drone are highly motivated engineers, programmers, and designers who put their passion and the latest technology into this flying machine. It's completely autonomous. The easy-to-use touchscreen gets you into the air and on your way in minutes. Hands-free, worry-free. 16 individually powered rotors provide incredible stability and safety. The sleek and strong carbon fiber cabin is your personal cockpit. Slide easily into your ergonomically designed seat and enjoy the ride. Passenger drone, taking autonomous to the sky.
Now, robots are replacing combat soldiers. Unnecessary casualties are becoming part of the past. Minimizing collateral damage and uninvolved casualties. Duke Robotics presents TCAD, the future soldier. With TCAD, the future battlefield has arrived. A fully robotic battalion, capable of identification and surgical neutralization of hostiles in the field, can now be deployed to places human soldiers can't reach, or simply shouldn't have to go. TCAD is able to adjust for the right place and time. The TCAD robot is designed to identify, target, and engage in real-life scenarios. TCAD takes the full recoil of the weapon discharge, compensates for its force, and quickly readjusts to stay on target and in the fight.
Cleared 4 to phase line Romeo. Observe and report.
Scorpion 6, this is Scorpion 2-1. Set phase line Romeo. We've got 2 TAC Vs heading 270. Grid Victor Romeo 287563.
Roger, Scorpion 2-1. You are cleared to engage.
Some exercise, some diet, and some do nothing. But are they happy with the results?
Yeah, except for these thunder thighs.
Well, this mommy tummy is impossible.
These handles don't get much love.
Let's face it, we all have those stubborn areas of fat we just can't get rid of. Meet Silkn Lipo, the first targeted fat reduction device for home use that really works. No diet, no exercise. Simply use Silkn Lipo for just 15 minutes a day and get results.
No diet? No exercise? Only 15 minutes a day?
That's right. Just 8 weeks targeting stubborn areas will reduce fat and strengthen underlying muscles, so you can give your body the shape you've always wanted.
How do I know if Silkn Lipo really works?
Silkn Lipo uses the same proven technology found in the large professional light therapy machines found in the world's most advanced and expensive beauty clinics. We've simply shrunk that same technology into the first ever affordable, easy-to-use home device. To make it even better, we've combined the low-level light therapy with electrical muscle stimulation technology, EMS, to optimize the fat reduction and strengthen underlying muscles. How does it work? Fat is accumulated by your body and stored in fat cells under your skin. Silkn Lipo uses specifically calibrated frequencies of light to perforate fat cell walls, releasing their fatty contents and harmlessly causing shrinkage in the region. Once outside the cell, your body's natural processes flush the fatty acids out of your system in the same natural way regular dietary fiber is expelled. To accelerate this process and to help build strength and muscle tone, Silkn added EMS technology. This stimulates muscle activity and circulation in the treated area, speeding up the rate at which the excess fat is flushed out of your system, leaving your body looking its best. Silkn, the pioneers of permanent hair removal technology shrunk down for home use, now brings you clinically proven, non-invasive fat reduction technology to let you target those stubborn areas and give your body the shape you want. Say goodbye to stubborn fat.
The proliferation of cheap and easy-to-fly drones has triggered a rise in the number of incidents where the safety and security of individuals and facilities has been compromised. Drones have infiltrated the security of heads of state, delivered contraband into prisons, photographed private film sets and the property of celebrities. Attempts to protect using conventional weapons have failed. Skywall 100 has the ability to quickly and easily neutralize a drone threat by physically capturing a drone in a net and controlling its descent to the ground. It combines a compressed gas-powered launcher with an intelligent projectile. This portable system provides a highly mobile and cost-effective method of dealing with drone threats. The launcher is equipped with a smart scope to assist in precise targeting. The operator acquires a target while receiving constant feedback from the smart scope. The onboard computer tracks the target's flight path and calculates the required projectile trajectory to intercept a hovering or moving drone. The smart scope responds, forcing the operator to adjust their aim. Vertical adjustments account for range, while lateral adjustments allow the operator to accurately lead a moving target. When the smart scope is locked on to the target, a solid tone indicates the system is ready to launch. The only way to completely neutralize a drone, whether it's being flown manually or autonomously, is to physically intercept it. The system can be rapidly reloaded, allowing multiple drone threats to be quickly engaged by a single operator. Skywall projectiles can carry a range of countermeasures. The SP-40 includes a parachute which controls the descent of a captured drone. This minimizes the risk of any collateral damage and keeps the drone intact, allowing for forensic investigation and identification of the perpetrator. If the operator misses, the parachute will still deploy and safely return the tethered components for reuse. Other features can also be included, such as audible and visual alarms and tamper-proof marking systems. The system is de-energized when not in use, so it is safe to handle and transport. Skywall captures drones, protects assets.